I love it. It says 2-stroke right on the box. I'm pretty sure this is our V Modest 2511 clone. Let's see. Yep, that's what it is. Our toolkit, bar cover, funnel, chain. Oh, I got some pink gloves. You know I like that. Oh, there she is. All boxed up and ready to roll. Packed nice. Not going to use that either, but yeah, it's exciting when a box comes in the mail. It says 2-stroke. Oh gosh. All right, let's get this thing together. We got the choke on, primered it a couple times, filled it with gas and oil. Let's see what she does.
I gotta go see Atticus.
Go ahead. You guys saw it for yourself. Fired right up, ran pretty good. I mean, it's not even broken in yet. Cut some 6-inch oak, like, you know, this isn't rotted. This is nice solid oak. Cut some 6-inch oak pretty easy. So I'm excited. We're gonna get this couple tanks through here and break it in. And I don't think I'm gonna muffler mod it because I think it already is muffler modded, but I am gonna look in and do some other modifications on the saw. But we'll get it broken in first, make sure everything's 100%, and we'll get back to you on that. All right, some of the big differences are on-off switch, double bar studs, oil cap is smaller. Ooh, it's smoking a little bit. She got a little warmed up. It almost feels like, you know how steel has the easy recoils for like the 180 C, whatever it is. That's kind of how it feels. Kind of feels weird. The handle's a little bit different, but same general concept. Air filter and everything's the same. I know the carb is a little bit smaller. But yeah, I mean, it's, you know, all in all, it's basically the same. We gotta clip that in. I have to do that with a screwdriver, so. Yep, let her get a little warm, let her cool down, and we'll get some more test cuts on this. The chain is the same. It's the same hoppy, crazy chain. I quarter pitch swap a lot of these, but you can get a steel 63 PS or PS 63 chain that's gonna run you way smoother, much nicer chain. So, yep, V Modest, well done. Very happy with the saw. It's an Echo 2511 at probably about a quarter of the price. So well done, guys.